Hey there, this is Tara with WTI. And as a video creator, sound quality is very important. So these Leettus wireless microphones have really helped me to step up my game. This little kit came with everything that I need. It had 2 microphones, and then it has interchangeable heads depending on which one you want to use. And it's just easy to charge. All you have to do is plug it in. You have to have your own charging head. But once the little microphone turns green, then it's ready to use. I have an iPad mini and an iPhone XR, and so you just plug in the base into the bottom, and when it turns green, you also turn on your microphone and make it turn green, and once it's connected, it's ready to go. What I really like about this microphone is it doesn't matter if you're near or, as you can see, I'm walking away and I'm far away over on the other side of the room. The voice and the sound is still the same. And it doesn't matter which room I'm in, such as a little small bathroom, whether I'm inside a big garage, or if I'm outside. The sound quality stays consistent, which is really great. So if you're looking for your sound quality to be consistent, or even to step up your game, these little microphones are pretty cool. And that is just my point of view.